Hi everyone, myself Dimpi Sharma, Marketing Manager for Global Solution and Compliance Private Limited. So today we will discuss about BIS registration for sanitary napkins, IS 5405-2019. Let us start with understanding what is BIS. BIS stands for Bureau of Indian Standards, which is a government department and comes under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, which is responsible for issuing ISI mark license that is applicable only on manufacturers, both domestic and foreign. Now, who needs a license? Manufacturer. Any company producing sanitary pads in India must obtain ISI certification before selling their products. As per the Quality Control Order QCO issued by DPIIT on October 23, 2024, sanitary napkins must have an ISI mark before they can be sold in India. Consumer safety and product quality. Sanitary napkins come in direct contact with the body, so quality standards must be met to ensure hygiene, safety, and skin friendliness. Market access and business growth. Having a BIS license boosts credibility and trust among customers, increasing sales and market opportunities. Importer. Any business importing sanitary pads in India must ensure that the foreign manufacturer holds a valid BIS license before bringing the product into the country. Import and customs clearance requirement. Indian customs will not allow the entry of sanitary napkins without a BIS certified foreign manufacturer. If the foreign manufacturer is not registered under BIS, your shipment may be held, delayed, or rejected at customs. Avoiding legal penalties and business risks. E-commerce sellers. E-commerce sellers as well. If you are selling sanitary pads or any other product that falls under mandatory BIS certification on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho or your own website, you must ensure that your products are BIS certified before listing them. Without BIS certification, manufacturers cannot sell in India. This includes retail stores, wholesalers and online platforms. Coming back to sanitary napkins, ISI mark on sanitary napkins from 1st January 2025 for medium, large, small and micro scale industries. Before taking the ISI license, the manufacturer needs to set up in-house laboratory. Also, the government provides 80% discount to micro scale units, 50% discount to small units and 20% discount to medium scale unit applicable only for domestic manufacturers. Now we will talk about list of documents required for BIS registration for sanitary napkins. First, location map. Second, plant layout. Third, list of machinery. Fourth, list of testing equipment. Fifth, list of raw materials. Sixth, brand details. Seventh, plant address proof. Eighth, GST certificate. Ninth, MSME certificate. 10. QCI document, that is your Aadhaar card and educational degree. 11. Process flow chart and 12th PAN card of business owners. As a leading consultancy in India since 1997, Global Solutions specializes in BIS license facilitation for both Indian and foreign manufacturers. With over 1,000 plus clients served, we offer end-to-end solutions from setting up in-house laboratories to obtaining licenses and managing post-compliance requirements. We are committed to providing a comprehensive, hassle-free experience all under one roof. For more queries, reach us out via the contact number or email ID displayed on your screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.